using Ncrack tool. So now in this video we are going to take a look at what is Ncrack tool and how to use it, and what about FTP cracking. So now you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and there I'm going to explain you about Ncrack. So guys, I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and let me show you where the Ncrack is. So if you click on applications, if you select password attacks, then you can find Ncrack right here. So you can click here. This is Ncrack, right? So we have already performed FTP cracking using Hydra and Medusa. So when to use Ncrack, or should you use it? This is the question. Let me explain you. When you have Hydra and Medusa kind of tools available for brute force attack, then you don't need to use Ncrack, right? Why I don't prefer Ncrack tool? Because Ncrack tool doesn't provide reliable result. For example, if the passwords are not available in the list, right, it pick any one of them, right, and provides you, right? I have tried many times with Ncrack, but Ncrack doesn't give me genuine results. It always provides me, you can say, fake results, right, or unreliable results. So that's why Ncrack is not reliable according to me. Sometimes it provides right information if the password is there. If password is not there, it picks a wrong password and provides you, right? So if you have Hydra and Medusa kind of tool inside Kali Linux, you don't need to use Ncrack right there, right? Otherwise, if your Hydra and Medusa are not working, then you can try Ncrack. Maybe it can provide you information, but I don't prefer Ncrack for brute force attack inside Kali Linux, right? Just for one reason, doesn't provide reliable result, right? So these are the examples here, right? Modules, it can attack on FTP, SSH, Telnet, these kind of HTTP, POP3, SMB, RDP, your remote desktop port, VNC, SIP, these all are the ports it can attack, or services. These are the examples, right? You can see that dash user root. After that you can specify also the password by typing -P, then your IP address, and then the port number, right? And these are the examples about HTTPS, and these are examples of nmap files, right? So these are the basic examples. You can try it yourself how to attack on the different kind of services, but as I already told you that this tool is not reliable, so I generally prefer Hydra and Medusa tool over Ncrack tool. So the Ncrack command is like that, like Ncrack space --user, then the username -P, then the password list, then the IP address. Right here, replace localhost and type the IP address colon the port number, which is 21. So you can try with that, but I'm not sure that it will provide you the right result or not, because it is not a reliable tool, right? So this is all about Ncrack, and I hope you have learned when to use Ncrack and when you should not use it, right? So you have Hydra and Medusa tool, right? Use it for brute force attack, and they always provide you the reliable result, right? If they cannot find the right username and password, they will give you information that we didn't find, right? But Ncrack can provide you any kind of fake results, right? Let's talk about the section summary, what we have learned in this section. So first of all we have learned about the crunch commands, how to create dictionaries. Then we have learned about how to attack on password file using John the Ripper. Then we have set up the file transfer protocol inside Windows 10 machine, and finally we have cracked FTP using Hydra, Medusa, and Ncrack. So this is all about this section. In the next section we are going to learn about man in the middle attack or sniffing. Thank you.